Welcome once again. In in this particular session, we will discuss about fast Ethernet, gigabit Internet, and 10 gigabit Ethernet. Fast Ethernet. Fast Ethernet is one of the variations of Ethernet standard that enables transmission of data over 100 megabytes per second on LAN, that is local area network. It was launched way back in 1995 and was the fastest network connection till the gigabit internet was introduced. So in a computer network, fast Ethernet, as we said, it is a variation of Ethernet standards. Under IEEE, we call it as IEEE 802.3U, and state the fastest till gigabit Ethernet came into picture. Fast Ethernet is popularly named as 100 base X here. 100 is the maximum throughput, that is 100 Mbps. Base denotes that it is a baseband transmission, and X is the type of medium, which is so upgraded data rate remains at 100 Mbps, makes it compatible with standard Ethernet, and 48-bit address is the same, followed by the same framework format. Fast Ethernet uses star topology using fully duplex and half duplex instead of bus topology. It also uses a new feature which is called as auto negotiation. Now, what is this auto negotiation? Auto negotiation is the feature that allows a port on a switch, router, or maybe a server or any other device to communicate with the device on the other end of the link, that is the receiver end, to determine the optimal duplex mode such as half duplex or full duplex speed and the speed for the connection. The driver then dynamically configures the interface to the value determined by the link, such as speed, duplex mode, and other transmission details. The common variants of fast Ethernets are 100 base TX, 100 base FX, and 100 base T4. Let us look at try to understand each one of them. So 100 base T4. This has four pairs of UTP of category 3, two of which are bidirectional and two other are unidirectional. Each direction, three pairs can be used simultaneously for data transmission. Each twisted pair is capable of transmitting maximum of 25 Mbps of data. Thus, the three pairs can handle up to 75 MB of data. It uses encoding scheme of 8 binary or 6 ternary. The next one, let us look at 100 base TX. This has 8 two pairs of unishielded twisted pairs, that is UTP, category 5 wires, and two shields of shield twisted pair, that is STP, type 1 wire. One pair transmits frame from hub to the device and the other from device to the hub. The maximum distance between the hub and the station can be 100 meters. It has a data rate of approximately 125 Mbps, and it uses MLT3 encoding scheme along with 4B and 5B block coding. And the last one would be 100 base FX, which uses fiber optics. It has two pairs of optical fibers. One pair transmits frame from hub to the device and the other from the device to the hub. The maximum distance between the hub and the station can be 2000 meters. It has a data rate of approximately 125 Mbps. Let us look at. As you see in the table, here is a summary of fast Ethernet implementation. For 100 base TX, the media used is Cat5, and it's a two-wired, and maximum length would be 100 meters. Whereas for 100 base FX, that is fiber based, the media used is fiber, and the number of wires and maximum length is same as that of TX. Whereas in 100 base T4, Cat4 is used, the number of wires cores are 4, and the maximum length would be 100 meters. What does Gigabyte Ethernet mean? It is also called as GBE. Gigabyte Ethernet is a version of Ethernet technology broadly used in LAN for transmitting Ethernet frames up to 1 gigabytes per second. It is used as a backbone in many networks, particularly those of large organizations. Gigabyte Ethernet is an extension to the preceding 10 Mbps or 100 Mbps, that is 8 and 100 Mbps 802.3 Ethernet standard. It supports 1000 Mbps bandwidth while maintaining full compatibility with the installed based on around 100 million Ethernet nodes. Gigabyte Ethernet usually uses optical fiber connection to transmit information at a very high speed over a long distance. Somewhere back in 1998, the first Gigabyte Ethernet standard was labeled by IEEE 802.3 committee, and that would be 802.3Z. As we said already, it was upgrade. The data rate is approximately up to 1 gigabytes per second, and rest of the things remains the same. Has 48-bit address. The frame format remains the same. It also supports auto negotiation as defined in the fast Ethernet. So in Gigabyte Ethernet, in full duplex mode, there is no collision. The maximum length of the cable is determined by the attenuation in the cable. Half duplex mode uses CSMA CD. The maximum length of the network depends upon the minimum frame size as mentioned in the slide. Gigabyte Ethernet implementation. Gigabyte Ethernet is supported by 5 physical layer standards. The IEEE 802.3Z standards incorporates 1000 base SX for data transmission via multi-mode optical fibers. In addition, the IEEE 802.3Z includes 1000 base LX over a single mode fiber and 1000 base CX via copper cabling for transmission. These standards use 8B 10B encoding, but the IEEE 802.3AB, known as the interface type for 1000 base T, uses a different encoding sequence for transmission over a twisted pair of cable. Gigabyte offers the following benefits over a regular 10 to 100 Mbps Ethernet. The transmission rate is 100 times greater, reduces bottleneck problem, and enhances the bandwidth capacity. It also offers full duplex capacity that can provide virtually double bandwidth. We had already discussed this in the previous sessions. Offers cumulative bandwidth for faster speed by employing gigabyte servers, adapters, and switches. It also gives a quality of service and high affordable to the owner. Encoding in Gigabyte Ethernet implementation. The encoding scheme used for all the Gigabyte Ethernet option except twisted pair is 8B10B. This scheme is also used in fiber channels. With 8B10B, each 8 bit of data is converted into 10 bits
transmission. The following are its advantages. It can be implemented with relatively simple and reliable transceiver at a lower cost. It is well balanced with minimal deviation from the occurrence. It provides a good transition density for easier clock recovery. For twisted pair gigabyte Ethernet, the encoding scheme used is PAM5, that is PAM5 over 4 twisted pair links. Therefore, each link must provide a data rate of approximately 250 Mbps. PAM5 provides a better bandwidth utilization than a simple binary signal by using a 5 different signal level. Each signal element can represent 2 bits of information. The diagram gives you an overall picture or representation of how an encoding works in Gigabyte Ethernet implementation. Here in this table, a summary of Gigabyte Ethernet implementation is depicted. For 1000 base SX, it uses a fiber shortwave, whereas for LX it uses a long wave. And for the media used for 1000 base CX is STP. The number of wires for all the three are 2. The maximum length for 1000 base SX is 550, whereas LX it is 5000 approximately, and for CX it is 25 meters. Block encoding techniques for all the three categories, it is 8B 10B, that is 8B is converted to 10B, whereas for 1000 base T it is a Cat5 and it uses a 4 number of wires with 100 meters, and the line encoding would be, as discussed, PAM5.
The last Ethernet type would be 10 gigabyte Ethernet. In a computer network, 10 gigabyte Ethernet is a family of Ethernet technologies that achieves a maximum rate of 10 gigabytes per second, that is 10 Gbps. It also known as 10 GE or 10 GBE or 10 gig E, and IEEE has defined it under 802.3 AE. It is a 2002 standard. 10 GE, that is 10 gigabyte Ethernet, is 1000 times faster than the Ethernet and supports only and only fully duplexed communication. Multi-mode fibers having frequency of 8 mu high frequency is used for the medium distance, and single mode fiber having 1.5 frequency is used for a long distance. The popular varieties are 1000 base SX, LX, T and CX. So this particular standard of 802.3 AE, in the MAC layer, it has been informed earlier, it uses fully duplex mode, and the physical layer works on a fiber optic cable. So the 10 base SR, the below is the few characteristics mentioned of implementation. The 10 base SR, that is fiber optics, it has a maximum segment of 3000 meters with a multi-mode fiber, whereas a 10 base LR uses again a fiber optics with a maximum segment of 10 kilometers with a single mode fiber. And 10 base ER fiber, it is again uses a cable fiber optics cable with a 40 kilometers with a single mode fiber, whereas the CX4 uses a 4 pair of twin AX with 15 meters, and it uses a twin axial copper. In this particular session, we have spoken about fast Ethernet, that is 100 Mbps Ethernet with its access mode, its physical layer, encoding for fast Ethernet implementation with respect to 100 base TX, 100 base FX, 100 base T4. We also spoke about a gigabit Internet and its physical layer, And last but not the least, we also had an overview of what is 10 gigabit Ethernet. Thank you.